blizzardcon 2010 in Oak Lawn. Yeah, this is my neighbor's house in my block. I really don't want to go outside, but who knows, maybe I will. But as you can see, I'll try to get a better look. That was from my computer room. Let's travel to the back porch area. This is the front lawn, which I can't even see my car. It's all buried alive in snow. And yeah. Oh my god, I can barely get out the front door. It's all snowy. Go outside. But yeah, my car is the gray one. It's horrible outside. It's cold. Yay, blizzardcon! Oh my god, and I'm crazy. Oh my gosh. Lynn's upstairs sleeping, and I just decided to make my own little video, and I'm wearing my nice warm fox hat. Here's my backyard.